You might have to pay more for Medicare Part B and Part D. That's what this video is about. And if you stay to the end, you'll find out why and what you need to do in order to pay less, or at least the base rate for your Part B and the premium for Part D. So, if you've been watching my videos, I told you that those that are single who earn an income of $103,000 a year, or a married couple who earn incomes of $206,000 per year, you are guaranteed to pay more for your Part B and your Part D of Medicare. Your Part B is normally charged by Medicare. Your Part D comes in the form of a premium notice from your private insurance carrier. And so, if you are single and you have made $103,000 while you were working within the last 2 years of going on to Medicare, you will have to pay more for your Part B and for your Part D. If you are married and you're going on Medicare, Medicare does a 2-year look back, and if your income as a married individual or couple is $206,000 or more, you will pay more for your Part B and your Part D. Now, as promised, here are the ways to avoid the penalty or the income-related monthly adjusted amount, which is what Medicare calls it. The first way is if you experienced the illness that caused your income to go drastically down, and it reduced your income to the point where when you're ready to go on Medicare, you know that you're not going to make anything near what you used to make, you can appeal to have Medicare only charge you the base rate for Part B, and that means that you would not incur any additional premiums for Part D. I know this because I did it for a client of mine and it was approved. Now keep in mind, you will have to provide proof that your income is going to be reduced and that you can no longer afford what Medicare would have charged had your income been the $103,000 as an individual or $206,000 as a couple in 2024. So let's look at the income yearly limits of where you can expect to pay more for your Part B and Part D. If you're single and you made $103,000 or married and made $206,000 in a year, your Part B is going to cost you $244.60. If you're single and your income was $129,000 or married and your income was $258,000, your Part B premium is going to be $349.40. If you're single and you made $161,000 or married and made $322,000, your Part B premium is going to be $454.20. If you're single and you made $193,000 or married and made $386,000, your Part B premium is going to be $559 even. And if you're single and you made $500,000 or married and made $750,000, your Part B premium is going to be $594 a month. So let's look at what you could expect to pay on top of your Part D premium at certain income levels. If you're single and you made $103,000 or married and made $206,000, you can expect $12.90 to be added to your Part D premium depending upon what carrier you go with. If you're single and you made $129,000 or $258,000 as a couple, you can expect to add $33.30 to your Part D premium. If you're single and you made $161,000 or married and made $322,000, you need to add $53.80 to your Part D premium. If you're single and you made $193,000, or as a married couple, you made $386,000, you need to add $74.20 to your Part D premium. If you're single and you made $500,000 or married and made $750,000, you need to add $81 to your Part D premium, depending on the carrier you chose. Now, how can you avoid this excess charge? There are a few ways that you can lower your income if you find that you're near that threshold. These are some of the ways you can lower your income: contributing to a retirement account, opening a health savings account before you turn 65, check for flexible spending accounts at work, use any side hustle that you do as a business and claim any deductions, claim a home office deduction, rent out your home for business meetings, write off business travel expenses, accelerate depreciation for business purchases, move some business compensation from wages to distribution, deduct half of your self-employment taxes, get credit for higher education, contribute to a 529 plan if you can, see if you qualify for an earned income tax credit, itemize state sales taxes, make charitable contributions or donations, adjust your base for capital gains taxes. Avoid capital gains tax by donating stock. Claim donations for military members. Make energy efficient updates to your home. Write off your gambling losses. Don't forget your state and local tax breaks. Deduct student loan interest. Deduct alimony payments, and also take advantage of child and dependent care credits. So these are some of the ways that you might be able to avoid getting into those income thresholds that will cause you to pay more for your Medicare Part B and your Medicare Part D. Now, the great thing is that if you turn 65 and you stop working or your income is reduced, Medicare only does a 2-year look back. And when they see that your income has drastically reduced, your premiums will eventually go down to base rates and become what everybody else pays for Medicare. Thank you for watching this video series entitled Medicare is Not the Same As. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and comment down below. Thank you for watching How-To-Medicare, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. I'll see you in the next series.